Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch Hulu without the app. Now first, you need to open your web browser. So you can launch your web browser on your computer, your tablet, or mobile device, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever one you want. And then you go to the Hulu website. So the browser search bar, you type hulu.com, and then you press enter. You'll be directed to the Hulu homepage. Now on the Hulu homepage, you just click login on the top right corner, okay? And then you enter your email password associated with your Hulu account, then click on sign in, and then you can just go ahead and browse and select your content once you're logged in, right? Click on the title you want to watch, and then you can begin streaming directly on your browser. You can go ahead and click on play, and it will work, okay? Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.